two, three. Excuse me, sir, but I don't agree. If she has never been in New Orleans, and even when the parents of her parents were served by the last slaves, she sings like an angel. She sings like a black angel, the blues. Excuse me, ma'am, but I am not sure. That boy on 7th Street, he can be free, even though his parents are in jail. He will succeed, yeah. He's the best of his class, will never be the last. From one recipe never comes the same taste. Not all the coins we find have the same face. We don't have the same face. No, the same face. Excuse me, babe, but I think it will not work. I have been pushing my heart for years and years. Roses and wine, I can't help who I love.